The human immune system is a complex network of cells and proteins that defends the body against infection. Regularly consuming natural drinks that contain vital nutrients may play a role in preventing illness and helping people recover from it. A regular intake of these simple detox drinks can aid weight loss, give a boost to your metabolism, and also helps digestion. In this video, let's see the ultimate 9 immunity boosting beverages to drink at home. 1. Amla Juice. It is best to have the juice of amla first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also dilute 20 to 30 ml of it in a glass of water for better taste. Also, you can put few drops of lemon and honey to make it delicious. Regular intake provides immunity, strengthens hair follicles and adds volume to the hair, besides clearing dandruff. 2. Beetroot Carrot Juice. Beetroot and carrot juice makes for a great detoxifier due to the presence of betaine in beets that helps support healthy liver function. Beetroot mainly helps to remove the dry and dead skin cells and replaces it with new, healthy growing cells, making the skin radiant. 3. Watermelon Mint. Watermelon is rich in lycopene that gives the red color to the fruit and is good for eye and heart health. Mint, which is used in the drink, is also rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help to flush out the toxins from our body. The vitamin C content in the fruit helps to strengthen the immunity. 4. Lemon Ginger Tea. Lemons are well known around the world for their sharp, sour flavor and for being an excellent source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Lemon ginger tea is an effective treatment for nausea and vomiting. Lemon and ginger are normally good sources of vitamin C, antioxidants, fiber, vitamin B6, magnesium, and potassium. 5. Ragi Malt. Ragi malt is made two ways, either salty or sweet. This is a weight loss millet drink that is very healthy. Consuming ragi on daily basis helps in dealing with conditions like insomnia, anxiety, and depression. Also, the amino acids present in ragi work as a natural relaxant. Ragi is one of the very few vegan sources of calcium and the content is higher than any other cereal. 6. Turmeric Ginger Tea. Ginger and turmeric could help decrease markers of inflammation, relieve chronic pain, reduce nausea, and improve immune function. Turmeric is known for its detoxification properties and can leave you soothed if you drink it every day. Drinking turmeric milk before bedtime may help give your mood a boost. Turmeric tea accelerates digestion, increases metabolism and promotes weight loss. 7. Ginger Tulsi Tea. Ginger Tulsi tea can also act as a mouth freshener and help you curb bad breath. It helps you fight with illness, cough and cold. Ginger, Tulsi and honey have always been known to cure several respiratory problems like mild cold and cough. Consuming it early in the morning can give you the perfect dose of freshness. 8. Strawberry and Mango. Strawberry mango smoothie is loaded with vitamin C, potassium, vitamin A, fiber, calcium, and iron. Both are high in fiber and antioxidants. The combo makes for a blend that is incredibly smooth tasting and incredibly healthy. It is one of the best healthy smoothie recipes for breakfast and low calorie. Enjoy this tantalizing smoothie as cool summer drink anytime you like it. The vitamin E from the mango and almond milk adds extra antioxidant benefits to enhance the immune system. 9. Hot Lemonade. It reduces heartburn and bloating by loosening any toxins trapped in your digestive tract. Lemon juice with warm water helps keep the body hydrated as it provides electrolytes to the body. Hot lemonade relieves stress and uplifts the mood. Drinking warm lemon water the first thing in the morning will melt away all your fat like magic. It also curbs hunger and improves the skin.